There's a biological sequence that happens when we stress ourselves. I use the word and emphasize stress ourselves because nobody gives it to us. We do it ourselves. When a harmless thing, a sight, a smell, a sound, a feeling, a thought, what we call a trigger, is recognized in the brain as being similar to a previous experience that involved physical danger or an emotional threat, the body kicks off with a load of chemicals to deal with that threat. So, if you freak out when you see a spider, the next time you see a spider, what's going to happen? You're going to freak out again, aren't you? Because you've conditioned the unconscious mind to react to that stimulus. What happens then is the brain sends impulses into the autonomic nervous system to elicit the fight, flight and freeze alarm response. A lot of people talk about fight and flight. If a tiger comes through that door, we want to flood our body with all the energy we can give it to fight the tiger or to run away with it. But there's also a freeze response, where we literally just freeze, we can't do a thing. It's not a good state to be in. Chemicals such as adrenaline and noradrenaline, cortisol and a load of others are released into the bloodstream, causing the heart rate to change, the blood pressure to go up, and other bodily processes to undergo dramatic changes. You really do go through some changes. And what happens to you? You get hot sweats, don't you? 1,001 other things which we'll talk about. At the same time, the primitive areas of the brain that are designed to respond to the threats shape our perceptions and our thoughts. We don't think about what we're going to cook for dinner when we're under stress. We just want to get away from the thing that's stressing us, don't we? Run away from the tiger, as I call it. And the rational mind has little or no involvement in that process. We're in knee-jerk reactions. You ever been angry and then regretted what you did? Yeah, it's because the rational brain switched off and the emotional brain switched on, the survival brain. We acted out of the emotion that we were experiencing, changed the chemical balance in our body, produced a state of dis-ease, and then later on calmed down and realised what we'd done. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt.